out there who hasn't had an opportunity to go into base camp and maybe for a little while, I would encourage you to do so because it has actually changed. They have been making adjustments, they've been improving the program based on feedback from us. So it's really great to have a say in what Toastmasters is doing. Now, Louise, I didn't skip you.
No.
Come on, tell me what motivates you.
Making friends in Toastmasters. I love to socialize. I'm
It
not
does
gonna deny
help,
it.
right?
It's like my happy day. Wednesday, yes, I get
Right.
to see all my friends. So
Wednesdays
it.
do make me very happy,
Yes.
and I mean, I for one, I love meeting new people, having the opportunity to even be here. I get to talk to a room of 25 people. There's 15 people online. We have a room in San Antonio. Hi, San Antonio. There are about 7 people over there. And just to have this opportunity to get to meet new friends and challenge myself, I think is really great. Well, you guys, that's time for our panel. I'd like to give a big round of applause. Thank you guys so much. I'll block this so you can feel free to get up and get back to your chairs. And at this time, I know that you guys on the computer can't see me. There we go. We had to be polite because everyone's getting up. So just wanted to call for announcements. I know that I have area directors in the room. We have the trio, or part of the trio in the room. My big announcement is that June 30th, 2020 is the last day to submit for awards on the traditional program. If you're going for your DTM, if you're going for your ALB, whatever it is that you're trying to achieve, make sure that you submit that before the deadline. We want you to get credit for all the hard work that you've been doing. Now that doesn't come into play if you're in Pathways already. There's no deadline for you if you're in Pathways, so just don't worry about that yet, but if you're in the traditional program. So I would like to call for any announcements, anyone wanting to announce maybe an upcoming contest that they need volunteers for. I know we've got a few coming up. I'm looking at you. Steven.